Hi everybody and welcome to this week's edition of Property Chat. This week we're talking about all things property and we've been away for a while. We'll explain why. Stand by. Hi everybody, welcome back and apologies that it's been a while since the last video. As some of you will know, that the producer here, Jack, has now got a beautiful baby daughter. Congratulations to him and Bex. And we've been busy with various bits and pieces, not least GDPR, but I won't go into that. Very boring, as you all know. Very dry, but nonetheless necessary. And on our website, you'll see we've got an updated privacy policy. You can have a look at that if you are inclined. In terms of the housing market, more important matters at hand. We're well into the springtime now. We've had plenty of good sunshine, so we can gauge how the market is. And frankly, it's tough out there. And in a tough market, you need the best agent and you need good professional advice as to what you should do. So now more than ever, it's critical that you get that advice, and we're here to provide it. So in terms of if you're looking to sell your house, what we're finding is that the market's tight and your house needs to be priced exactly perfectly in order to get the sweet spot where you'll get sufficient uptake viewings and a good sale price. Price it too high, it will languish and then it will lose value. Price it too low and obviously you're going to lose money. So pitching that price at the perfect level is something that's a real art and it needs to be taken under advice. So we'd love to help you with that. And it's not all bad news either. I mean, what we're finding a lot of the time now is vendors that previously looked at houses that they thought were out of reach, when they've gone under offer and reapproached the agents in the area they want to move to, they found there's significant reductions available on some of the houses that they were looking at before, where the market's a bit tougher. So if you're moving up market, this can work in a really positive way. You know, if you're selling a one bed flat at 300 and the market's fallen a bit, you may lose 5% of the value on that. That may lose you, let's say 15,000 in the case of a 300k sale. And then conversely, that same amount, a 5% return on a 500,000 house, you'd be knocking 25,000 off the value of that. So the good news is if you're moving up market, it's actually a very good time to do so. And also for first time buyers, what a fantastic time to get into the market. You know, buy-to-let investors are shying away a little bit. The reason being the extra taxes have been put in place, so that gives you the ideal opportunity. And because the market's not as strong, it also means that there are deals out there to be had. So if you're a first time buyer, it's a fantastic time to get in. And I know some of you are a bit scared thinking, well, I appreciate you can explain this and that, Ken, but what about Brexit? Well, Brexit's important, yes. But let me tell you something, we'd have other crises as well. If you look in history, we had the oil crisis. What happened after that? Property prices jumped considerably. If you look later on, we had the exchange rate mechanism, 88 to 90. We had the recession there, interest rates headlining up to 15 and 17% in some cases. And then still, shortly afterwards, what happened? Property prices jumped. 2006-7, we had obviously the banking crisis. What happened after that? Property prices jumped and surprised everybody by 2009. So again, you've got to look at these things. When you're buying a property to live in, it's a medium-term investment, and you've got to look at it that way. In 5 years from now, if you make a buying decision, chances are you won't regret it. History tells us this, and if you look at history, then you can see that property always wins in the end. And those that don't learn the lessons of history are doomed to repeat it. So don't repeat it. Get yourself involved in the property market today. If you're buying or selling and you'd like some more advice, please do get in contact. Thanks everybody for watching. Sorry for the delay in videos. I assure you there'll be plenty more to come following this one. As long as you continue with your great support and like and share this video. Many thanks. Take care. Bye.